In this video, we're going to discuss some of the more advanced features that are found within SCenic Viewer. So in my previous videos or tutorials, I walk you through how you can generate a UMAP plot, a violin plot, and then a feature plot in SCenic Viewer. One of the really cool features in SCenic Viewer is the ability to split your UMAP plot based upon the different treatment statuses or different conditions that may exist within your SRAD object. So let's say for this given data set, if you wanted to visualize how your UMAP looks with different treatment statuses, you can simply go within the Groupings tab, and under your treatment split, you can select Treatment, which will split your UMAP plot by the different treatment statuses. So once again, you can simply click the bottom right hand corner and drag your plot to resize. Now, as you can see from the different treatment statuses, there is a cell population of interest that's potentially expanded within this treatment. So let's say if you were interested in dissecting out the different genes of interest or marker genes that are expressed within the cell population, you can simply go within the violin plot, and let's say you were only interested in looking at better effector T cell population, you can go into the Groupings tab within the violin plot, and under cell cluster you can select better effectors, and what this will allow you to do is to visualize your genes of interest within the better effector cell population. And once again, you can enter more genes to expand the violin plot. So I'm going to again add CTLA4, which is another marker of T cell exhaustion. Now let's say if you were interested in finding out how the expression of PD-CD1 or CTLA4 changes with different treatment statuses within the better effector T cell population, in a similar fashion to the UMAP plot, you can go under Treatment Split and select Treatments. And at this point, what you're visualizing is the changes in expression in PD-CD1 within the better effector T cell population across your different treatment statuses. In a similar fashion to UMAP and violin plot, you can also split your feature plot by the different treatment statuses. So once again, I'm visualizing PD-CD1 over here. If you go into your Groupings tab, under Treatment Split, you can select Treatment, which will once again split your feature plot by the different treatment statuses. This has been a tutorial on some of the more advanced features in SCenic Viewer.